So in this video, I'm going to share the 3 simple steps to get started in Command. So first, we're going to go to agent.kw.com. Keep in mind, Chrome is going to be the best browser to be using for this. It's most compatible. I've noticed a lot of errors that people have experienced have been either within Microsoft Edge or Safari. So in Chrome, we're going to go to agent.kw.com and we're going to log in using our KW credentials. So the same you would for MyKW. Generally, your first initial, last name, and then maybe a number. This is going to take us into our dashboard, and we are going to go to contacts first for step number 2. So step number 2 is going to be adding a contact. To add a contact, again, we would click on contacts. If you want to see the names of all these applets, all you need to do is click on the KW up at the top and it will expand so you can see all the names. We're going to click add contact in the top right corner. We're going to add the name. We do first and last name here for full name. Add the email address. And then a phone number. We click mark as lead. It's going to mark them as lead with a red emblem with an L. And if we click add to sales pipeline, it will, after we create this, it will take us over into opportunities. We would then add a tag. We have system tags that appear in gray. These you cannot add or you cannot create new system tags or delete current system tags, but you can add or remove these from any contact you'd like. Any of these in color would be custom tags that I have created, and these you can edit at will. And if I wanted to create one, I would just begin typing. And if the tag does not exist, you click create custom tag and choose the color and click add, and then it's created. If we click add more information, we can then add additional contact information such as alternate email addresses, alternate phone numbers, address, social profiles, and about. We can add a legal name if we're using their nickname. So let's see, Joseph. Description, birthday, home anniversary. We can add any spouses here. If the spouse does not exist in our contacts, we can create them right from here. So I could put Jane Schmo, and she doesn't exist. So I could click add, and it will create a blank contact for her. Company, sales pipeline, captured would be haven't met. Connected would be met. We can choose a lead source. Now we can't customize lead sources just yet. There is a workaround if you really would like to reach out to me, and I'll let you know how. And then we can add custom fields. Once we click create, this person will be created. I have created a number of Joe Schmoes, so I get this error. Now to create an opportunity for Joe, I would go into opportunities. This is where we have our sales pipeline, transaction management, document management, e-signature, and such. So if I were to create an opportunity for Joe, I would click create opportunity. We would choose the market center. It should auto select whichever market center you are in. If you are in multiple market centers, you would then be able to choose. If you're in a team, it should auto select your team. We then choose the opportunity type, listing, buyer, landlord, tenant. I'm just going to choose listing. We then choose the client. And this is the reason step 2 is create the contact, is because the contact has to already exist in order for us to be able to create an opportunity for them. So I'm just going to look up Joe. And there he is. I can then look up his spouse, Jane, who I created as the co-seller. Now the opportunity name is going to default to the last name of the client and the type of opportunity. This may pose a problem if this client has multiple properties that you're listing, so you might want to put the address after the name. Here you can then tag the opportunity. Now these are unique to contact tags, so this will not affect the contacts tags. These are specific to the opportunity itself. So Joe is going to be a waterfront property. Estimated close date and estimated listing price. These are for your forecasting. And then I can choose which phase and stage I want to put this opportunity in. Note that you cannot put it in anywhere later than active, because this is the furthest into the sales pipeline that you could create an opportunity without having prior documentation. So if I have an opportunity scheduled with Joe, I'm going to create the opportunity. And then it brings us into the opportunity. I will be posting some more videos on opportunities later if you want to dive deeper into the subject. Now, I like to add a fourth step to the 3 simple steps, and that is updating your market profile. To do this, you would click your name in the top right corner. You would click Settings. And under Connect Settings, you'll click Marketing Profile. Now you want to go through this and fill this out as much as possible. Reason being is anytime any data is being pulled for any marketing, emails, website, what have you, it will be pulling the data about you from the marketing profile. So you want to upload your photo. Keep in mind you want to try to upload a 36 by 36 pixel photo. It will take other sizes, but it's going to work best with a 36 by 36. Now, team logo, if you do not have a team logo, don't upload anything. You can leave this blank. Reason being is once you do upload a photo, you can't delete it at this point. You can replace it, but you cannot delete the photo itself. So I just in testing uploaded our DBA, and as you can see, it's stuck. Now also notice it is squished. It will not appear that way once it's being used. You want to input all your information here as best as possible. Note if anything with a red star is required. So if you do not fill out the required fields, it will not save. Now the DBA logo, this is our office logo, the Keller Williams Realty Services. Now, if you don't know where to find this logo, you're going to go to kwconnect.com. Under Resources, first log in. Under Resources, you're going to go to Marketing. And if you just leave your mouse where it was, you'll click on Logos and Branding. Now you want to scroll down about a third of the way down till you see this KW Premier Properties DBA logo, and you want to search for your market center. So our market center is 722, and then you would click Download, and this is going to download all the logos for your market center. Now keep in mind you want to use the PNG version of the logo because a PNG will allow you to have a transparent background. And you won't see the little white box behind the text. Once you fill all this in, you want to click Save, and you now have successfully saved your marketing profile. For more videos, please subscribe. I thank you for watching.